All right, guys. So I trimmed off a little bit of fat from the outskirts of the chicken. You know, just extra stuff that we really don't want. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the breast. This is kind of semi-frozen. I'll be cooking this a little later. So after I prep this, I'm just going to throw it back in the fridge. Basically, we just want to make a little pocket in there. All right, there we go. We got a little pocket going on. All right, next ingredient. I got 3 links of Italian sweet sausage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to just push the meat out of the casing. That's it. I just want the meat out of the casing. I'm going to do that to all 3. All right, guys, I just shredded up some mozzarella. Got some fresh basil here. I'm just going to cut it up to little pieces. I'm not going too crazy. So I'm just going to cut this up. I'm going to mix it up with the cheese. So at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and take the sausage. I'm going to kind of work it in there. Like so. I'm going to come back with a little mozzarella, a little basil. That's it. Try to stuff it in there as much as possible. Kick it off to the side. Let me go to the next one. So I cut these on the side. I stuffed them from the side. I want to cook these standing up. It's going to be a little hard to do that. They might be falling over. So what I did was I went ahead and I cut some strands of some butcher twine. All right. And what I did was I ran this under some water for a second just to get it nice and moist. I find when you do that, it's a lot easier to work with. And on top of that, it helps it from burning. So anyway, we're going to tie them up. Make sure we got a nice stuffing going here. All right, that's it. So we got them all tied up. This is just some Italian seasoning with some olive oil. Before we throw them on the grill, I'm just going to want to give it a little coat real fast. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. Just like that. Alright guys, we got a lot of flavor going into that chicken already, but we're not done yet. We're going to create a little glaze for the top, you know, just a little finishing glaze. So, I'm just going to use a little ketchup, kind of eyeballing everything. Throw in a little garlic. Be adding some balsamic. Good amount of balsamic in there. I'm going to come back with some honey. That's it. I'm just going to stir it. Keep stirring it. That's it. Nice and easy. Let's taste it. If I think I need something more, I'll add. I'm just going to let this go on a simmer for like 20 minutes. Just keep stirring it. That's it. I threw this on about 5 minutes ago. Cooking indirect. Doing some cowboy lump. That's it. Alright guys, they're all probing around 155 to 160. So right now I'm just going to sauce them up with that little glaze we made. About that time, I'm going to cut these up. See what we did here. Let's cut these strings off here. This was definitely a fun cook. Let's see what we did. Cut it right down the middle right here. Cheese, sausage, basil. Wow. That is very good. Yeah, the sausage really gives it a nice, nice flavor. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments? Send them. Please hit that that like and subscribe. You guys have a great day.